Tämä tässä on Gremlin ilkimys, joka näki päivänvalon ensimmäisen kerran 80-luvulla kauhukomediassa.
The hardest thing I think to achieve are all the shades and the colors and the tones and actually making it look like it could be alive. Later on I'll put some gloss varnish on this guy in various areas so actually it really should what we call make him pop. You can see it's custom sculpted on the inside. You can see all the guts hanging out here. And then there's a custom sculpted face.
Useimmat Dean Claytonin tekemistä tai kustomoimista hahmoista eivät edusta sitä kaikkein kilteitä tai kauneinta osastoa.
I guess a larger percentage of my work, and actually, for example, Tim Burton's Nightmare Before Christmas and things like that, they all focus on the darker, more wicked side of things. If I'm honest, I think that stuff's maybe just a bit more interesting for people. People love the villains, Darth Vader, characters like that, so I don't think it's just me, I think that's just way people are.
Mutta mikä sitten on figuuritaiteilijan oma suosikkihahmo?
This gentleman here is probably one of my favorites, Boba Fett from Star Wars.